ever-evolving world of technology, the future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. And the power to shape that future is within your reach. How well with the iHub DivyaSampark certificate? iHub DivyaSampark is situated at IIT Roorkee under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Systems. Through certificate programs, iHub is training and upskilling students and techno-experts in the field of cyber-physical systems through its comprehensive skill development program. But what makes iHub courses truly unique and how do they help your career perspective? Well, iHub has meticulously crafted more than 20 certificate courses in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, data science and machine learning. The curriculum is based on a fusion of cutting-edge technology, academic excellence and the wisdom of industry experts. So, imagine holding an iHub DivyaSampark certificate, a symbol of excellence known worldwide. It's your ticket to upskill for better career growth prospects, job promotions, higher salaries, as well as global opportunities. iHub is working on a hub and spoke model for the added advantage of multiple extension centers across India, where these courses are regularly held. The institute also has reached an impressive milestone of having trained over 30,000 students. So don't miss your chance to upskill and transform your future. Enroll with iHub's DivyaSampark Skill Development Certificate courses today. iHub DivyaSampark, where innovation meets opportunity. Come and be a part of New Innovation Tribe.